Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the Marketplace Seller Locator module. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions to increase the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's see the workflow. This module lets sellers display their store locations on Google Maps, helping customers easily find nearby stores. Sellers can manage their location details, while admins can verify and manage seller addresses from the backend. Now, let's move to the backend and walk through the workflow of this module. Log in with valid admin credentials. After installing the module, navigate to Settings. Click on Marketplace. Under Marketplace, navigate to Website, and in Website, enable Seller Locator. Just check this option. Here you can configure the map settings. There are two modes, Auto Mode and Manual Mode. In Auto Mode, seller locations are automatically configured based on the provided details. In Manual Mode, the admin or seller can manually configure the location coordinates. We can also change the route type and map type, such as road map, satellite, hybrid, and so on. Apart from that, we can configure other details like the search radius, for example 10,000 or 5,000 meters. We can also configure the map zoom level. By default, it is set to 5. After the configuration, go to the Seller Dashboard. In the Seller Dashboard, click on Sellers. Under Sellers, multiple sellers have already been created. Before that, let me check how the locations are visible on the customer side of the website. Here you can see the Locate a Seller section. Click on Locate a Seller. Here, 5 sellers have already been created automatically with their respective details. Now go back to the Seller Dashboard. Click on Sellers. Let's configure this seller as well. Click on Partner Assignment. Here, the coordinates have already been located. Now let's check another seller. You can see that the geolocator has not been set yet. So we'll set the country as India. Select the state as Assam. Select the zip code. See, the geolocator has automatically fetched the location details. Now approve it. Since this seller is currently in the pending approval stage, the admin can approve the seller. Now it has been approved and published. Let's check the website again. Click on Locate a Seller. You can now see the Sam Paul area. You can also view its location on the map. Let me zoom out once. Apart from that, if I click on this seller, you can see that this seller is located in San Francisco. This seller is also displayed, and this one as well. So this module helps customers quickly find nearby sellers, improves marketplace visibility, and makes shopping more convenient and user-friendly. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvedesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.